Hey everyone! If you're using Givi monokey top cases or panniers like me, you probably know the struggle of carrying multiple keys just to open your storage. On my Interceptor 650, I've got the Givi Dolomiti 30L top box and two Givi S250 toolboxes, each with its own separate key. That's 3 different keys just for my luggage. But guess what? There's a simple solution, the Givi Case Security Lock SL-103 kit. This little upgrade lets you replace all those different keys with a single master key. And today, I'll show you how it works. Welcome back to my channel, Gadget Wheels. Let's open the box and have a look inside. As you can see, everything is included. I'm impressed with how complete this kit is, making installation a breeze. Here's what you get in the kit. It includes all the essential components, 3 standard keys with lock cylinders, and 3 duplicate keys. This master key system fits on most Givi monokey top boxes, side panniers, and tool boxes, exactly what I use. Step 1 is unscrewing the cover to access the existing lock set. Be very careful as you remove the screws and gently lift the cover. Quick heads up, when you're opening the existing lock set, be really careful. There are small springs and a tiny metal ball inside, easy to lose if you're not paying attention. Take your time here, maybe do it over a tray or towel so nothing rolls away. Once the old lock's out, the new cylinder from the SL-103 kit pops right in. Secure it, test the key, and that's it. Now just repeat the same process for the other Givi S250 toolbox and Givi Dolomiti top box with same steps and same caution. I have been using this unified master key setup for more than a year, and it has been rock solid, no issues at all. The Givi Case Security Lock SL-103 not only simplifies my daily routine but also works perfectly on any Givi monokey top box and Givi side pannier. That's it for today's unboxing and installation of the Givi Case Security Lock SL-103. Remember, this isn't a paid promotion, I'm just sharing my own experience with these great Givi products. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow riders, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future motorcycle accessories or performance upgrade videos. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.